People call me Shyamji. I like to get to feel the beingness of my life. And most people don't feel that. They don't allow themselves to feel that. That's why I developed a system of meditation where you can find, I call it in modern language, a delete button. In your mind there is a delete button. Meditation process begins with deleting, in general, your conditioning. I love to help people get out of their dark energy, dark matter. I like them to be able to discover their own bliss, their own beauty, their own uniqueness. Because we are unique.